with no words on it. I got a long two chains, long way deep boy, green bricks, but I ain't a kid boy. Big dick, and she say I can get it boy. This a hit and I'ma make a nigga get it boy. Let's go. We don't know y'all niggas, so it's fuck y'all. And you bitches be too messy, we don't trust y'all. When this shit drops, all the broke boys move back. I never hated on a nigga, how I feel to do it. Now follow me as we go to this place called the Slopes, where the skinny niggas ride and the real niggas roast. It was me, G, Jimmy, P2, Brad Jones. Said they tryna throw a function and they know it's for real.
Adobo, adobo, adobo.